Okay, so the video got a little interrupted, so there's going to be a part 1 and a part 2 in the HyperDoc, no big deal. The last part we just have to talk about is the reason that we have seasons. And it all has to do with the Earth's tilt. Our planet revolves around the sun, taking a path that takes a full year to complete. So the Earth will revolve around the sun in 1 full year, so 365 days. When the north half of the Earth is facing the sun, it is summer. Earth's southern hemisphere is winter season during that time. The Norse winter occurs when the southern hemisphere is facing the sun. Okay? So, if we're talking, we're right here, northern, it would be summer. And then if we're talking toward the east, it would be winter at this point. And then it would be fall, and then it would be spring, and it would keep going in this general circular motion. Okay? So we really have seasons because the Earth revolves. Okay? And it's on a tilt. So the Earth's tilt is the reason that we have seasons. Okay, so you're going to want to take the time and to fill in those lines on your interactive notebook. Okay, you're going to want to make sure that you've done steps 1, step 2, step 3. Step 3 is going to be your quiz. Remember to record your quiz score on your HyperDoc and then submit it fully for credit.